Brooke. I'm a leasing consultant at the Curve Apartments. Today I'm going to show you apartment number 320. This is a B2 layout. If you see behind me, we have the L-shaped kitchen. Very large kitchen and living space. You have your beautiful quartz countertops, movable island here. Stainless steel appliance package includes your mounted microwave, gas range stove, and a refrigerator and dishwasher. Back here, we have a large coat closet, larger than others that you would see in other apartments. And then we have the pantry next to the kitchen. Behind me, you'll find the living space. Hardwood flooring throughout all of our apartments, which really gives it that modern, clean look. And then we have the windows to allow natural light in. This apartment has an extended balcony where you can fit some beautiful plants, tables, and chairs, and enjoy the beautiful scenery of our courtyard. If you follow me, we'll check out the master bedroom first. The master bedroom is a great size. It also has a huge walk-in closet. And also has an attached ensuite master bathroom. This is the master bathroom. We have double vanity with the dual sinks here and tons of cabinet space. We have the bathtub and shower and toilet, of course. And around the corner, you have your linen closet. Follow me back this way, we'll see the guest bathroom and bedroom. Now this is one of our larger guest bedrooms. Follow me in here, and then we have another walk-in closet. And next we'll check out the guest bathroom. We have a nice, large, well-lit vanity and another linen closet. And then we have the washer and dryer in this closet here. And then we'll head back into the living space. And thank you for taking the time to tour with us. We hope